So if, like me, you don't use a Windows device and you've got a Mac, or you simply don't want to install some software, you can still use FileDirector with the Web Edition. All you need to do is go to https cloud.filedirector.co.uk/web and then enter your domain and username and password and click login. So the choices you have up here are inbox, search, or new document. If you click search, you'll be prompted to open your cabinet. So I've now opened my filing cabinet in the same way that I did in my Windows client program. I've got my different document types down here. So if I wanted to find all the suppliers from, say, Northamber PLC, I can key that in, click search, and then the search results come back. And then if I double clicked on an invoice here from 2014, the document is shown. And I can do things like I can tick it and sort of save it down to my PDF, to my desktop, or I could email it on to someone. Using the settings button up here, you could do things like reset your own password. If I wanted to add a new document, I can click on new document. I'm going to choose the client correspondence folder. I'll click plus to add a document. I'll go off and find myself a PDF, click open, upload that file. So the file is saved there. So if I now wanted to give it some indexing, so I'll say XYZ Ltd, date is today, second, and it's a test document. And now I can save that if I want to. The document successfully saved. If I was to clear that, go to search, and then we switch into client correspondence, and then XYZ Ltd, click search, and there's my test document of the second. Double click on that, and there's the PDF that we uploaded a moment ago. So the web edition is very useful if you want to upload the odd, what I call ad hoc document. If you've got a lot of documents to upload, then you're going to probably need to use the Windows client, because the Windows client supports scanning in bulk. It supports the bulk uploading of documents using things like a CSV loader. It's got a lot of more facilities there, but the web browser is a really nice way of seeing documents or quickly adding documents into the mix. So I hope that's been useful.